Number before and after with Teacher Farah. Children, this is we call the number train. You see what number we have on the train? Number 1. Very good. What number comes after 1? Yes, number 2. Number 2 comes after number 1. What number comes after number 2? Yes, number 3. What number comes after 3? Yes, number 4. And what number comes after 4? Yes, number 5. And now we're going to see what number comes before. Children, look, we have the number train. What number comes before 10? Yes, number 9. What number comes before 9? Very good. Number 8. And what number comes before 8? Do you know? Very good. Number 7 comes before 8. And then what number we have before 7? Yes, we have number 6. Good job, children. Now I'm going to show to you the numbers in between. What is the number that comes in between two numbers? Do you know, children? Let's review together. Okay? What number comes between 1 and 3? Yes, very good. Number 2. What number comes between 4 and 6? Yes, very good. Number 5. And I'm going to show to you what number comes in between 7 and 9. Yes, number 8. Children, let's redo together. Finger point. What number comes next or before? You see, children, what number comes before 7? Very good. Number 6. What number comes after 7? Yes, number 8. And now, number 16. What number comes before 16? Very good. Number 15. What number comes after 16? Good job. It's 17. What we have here, children? Number 13. What number comes before 13? Yes, it's 12. What number comes after 13? Very good. Number 14. Good job. Children, now teacher want you to take out hands-on math book P1 and please open page 10, also page 11. Circle the page, write down date and date. Good luck. Do your homework, children.